Okay, so we bought this for our garden to do some trimming of the side of the grass. And I'll just show you the size of the box it came in. It came pretty small and compact, and that's because all these pieces come off. It comes this big in the box. We put this one in already, but they basically just go into each end and you turn it, which makes it longer and longer, which is great. Get this one in and tighten it up, and then there is one more that goes in the same way. It's pretty sturdy, and it seems like when I first saw it, I wasn't sure if it was gonna be strong enough because it came in pieces, but it seems pretty good. It seems fairly strong. So we're gonna go and try it in the garden now. You can see the wheel here, and now let's go try it out.